mayroon na naman tayong magic tricks guys. Meron tayong 12 cards guys. Saka meron tayong prediction guys. Prediction. Katin natin guys. Ngayon guys, atin natin sa 4 na files guys. Kahit saan tayo pwede mag-umpisa guys, dito o dito guys. Buksan natin yung prediction guys. Only the Ace of Diamond is face down card guys. Yung Ace na Diamond lang daw ang nakataob guys. Ace na Diamond ang nakataob sa 12 cards guys. Buksan natin guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Buksan natin guys kung tama yung prediction ng Magician guys. Is na Diamond. The Magician is always correct guys. Is na Diamond guys. Thank you for watching guys.